Before banks, before paper notes, before credit cards, people used salt as money. Yes, salt in some places. People used shares in others. They used cows, but who decided that a small piece of metal has value? Who invented money? And why does money control the world today? The answer is surprising and the story is full of secrets. Stay with me because by the end of this video, you will see money in a completely new way. A world without money. Imagine waking up tomorrow and money does not exist. You want bread, but you have no money. So, what do? You must trade something. Maybe you give eggs for bread, maybe you give shoes for rice. This system is called barter. Thousands of years ago, people used barter. Farmers traded food, fishermen traded fish, builders traded tools. But there was a big problem. What if you have rice, but the other person does not want rice? What if you need shoes, but the shoemaker does not need fish? Barter was difficult. People needed something easier. They needed something small, easy to carry, valuable, accepted by everyone. This is how money slowly began. The first money. The first money was not coins. In many parts of Africa and Asia, people used cowrie shells. These small, beautiful shells were rare and easy to carry. In some places, people used salt, tea, cows, rice, stones. In fact, Roman soldiers were sometimes paid with salt. This is where the word salary comes from. But there was still a problem. Salt can be lost, rice can be eaten, cows are too big. People needed something stronger and more permanent. The first real coins, around 1600 BC, in a place called Lydia, modern Turkey, something important happened. People created the first metal coins. These coins were made of gold and silver mixed together. They were small, round, and had a stamp on them. The stamp showed that the coin was official. For the first time, people trusted money. Now trade became faster, business became easier, cities became richer. Money changed the world forever. But here is the interesting part, no one person invented money. It was not one man, it was not one king, it was a slow idea that grew over time. Money was a human invention, created because people needed it. Kings, power, and control. When kings saw how powerful money was, they wanted control. They started making their own coins. Each coin had the king's face, a national symbol, a special design. This made money not only useful but powerful. If a king controlled money, the controlled the economy. And if he controlled the economy, he controlled the people. This is when money became more than trade. It became power. The birth of paper money. Coins were heavy. Imagine carrying 1,000 gold coins, very heavy, very dangerous. In China, around 700 AD, people invented something new, paper money. At first, people didn't trust paper money. They asked, how can paper have value? But the government promised that paper money could be exchanged for real coins. Slowly, people accepted it. Paper money made trade easier, travel became safer, business grew faster, and money continued to evolve. Banks and modern money. As trade increased, people needed safe places to keep money. Banks were created. Banks did three important things: kept money safe, allowed people to borrow money, helped business grow. Over time, money became numbers in bank accounts. Today, most money is digital. We use credit cards, online banking, mobile apps. Money is no longer just coins or paper. It is a number on a screen. Is not that amazing? The secret about money. Here is the most important lesson. Money is not valuable because of gold. Money is not valuable because of paper. Money is valuable because of trust. If people trust money, it works. If people stop trusting money, it fails. This is the secret of money. Trust gives money power. How to make money today? Now let's talk about you. You cannot invest money, but you can learn how it works. Throughout history, people made money in simple ways. Trade something valuable, learn useful skills, solve problems, save and invest. Money always moves toward value. If you create value, money follows. For example, learn English, get better job opportunities, learn digital skills, work online, save small amounts, grow over time. Money rewards patience, skill, and smart decisions. Even ancient merchants knew this. Imagine a young trader 2500 years ago. He saved small gold coins every week. Other people spend everything. Years later, he uses his savings to start a larger business. He became successful. The lesson: money grows when you use it wisely. This lesson is the same today. Money changed the world. Money helped build cities, create trade routes, connect countries, develop technology. Without money, modern life would not exist. But remember, money is a tool, not the goal. The goal is freedom, opportunity, and growth. Money simply helps us reach these goals. So, who invented money? No one person. Human need invented money. The need to trade, the need to trust, the need to grow. Money started with shares, became coins, turned into paper, and now lives in digital numbers. But its secret never changed. Money works because people believe in it. And today you understand something many people do not. Money is a system built on trust, value, and human ideas. I want to ask you, if money didn't exist, what would you trade? Comment below. And if you enjoyed this story, subscribe for more Learn English through story videos. Every story improves your English, every lessons grow your mind. And remember, money may control the world, but knowledge gives you control over money. So, see you in the next video.